if you want to, Bianca.
We do have.
Yeah, we are full time. Are we fine for that?
Yeah, we're still on time, so
Okay,
we
cool.
can wait. We can wait 2 minutes.
Thanks.
I think it might be worth starting. Thank you very much. Let me introduce you both. Our next picture kucha blends two powerful forces, AI and gamification, in the context of online health science education. Presenting are Dr. Oluwarotimi Randle, Head of Digital Arts at Wits University, whose research explores African-themed video games and machine learning, as well as Amanda Jankowitz, lecturer and PhD candidate at Wits, investigating immersive technologies, digital equity, and game-based learning. Together, they explore how AI-driven gamification can transform engagement and inclusion in digital health education. Thank you so much, speakers.
Thank you very much, and welcome, Dr. Randle. So this picture kucha is exploring how AI and gamification in online health sciences education can work and be implemented. So hi again, everyone. My name is Amanda, and I'm here with Dr. Olu. And today we're exploring how AI and gamification are reshaping online health sciences education, making it more engaging, equitable, and effective. So the challenge was that traditional methods struggle to engage students in complex, high-stakes content. Online learning often lacks clinical nuance, leaving students disconnected and overwhelmed. We are in the time of digital transformation where COVID-19 pushed many people online, but it also exposed equity and engagement gaps, and Zoom lectures or Teams lectures weren't enough, and then we needed innovation to truly support our students. And even after the whole COVID-19 pandemic and into the current age, we still need to support students in different ways, especially through massification. Why gamification? Gamification uses points, levels, and challenges to motivate students. It creates immersive scenario-based learning that mirrors real clinical decision making. And why AI? AI personalizes learning, adapts content, and provides instant feedback. It's like having a tireless digital tutor that helps educators track progress and support students. So AI and gamification create intelligent, responsive learning environments, and they can assist with adaptive simulations, branching narratives, and real-time feedback tailored to each learner. First of all, I want to share a case study. I see the other image didn't load, but I'll share the link in the chat a bit later on. So in our first game that I'm going to share about is that we created a game using AI in articulate storyline where pharmacy students engaged in emergency scenarios through gamified simulation. AI tools help build a game, boosting confidence and clinical reasoning. The students had 2 case studies, and then they had to navigate administering the necessary medication at different stages. I wanted to play a quick short video, but it didn't work. The second case study that I want to showcase is where we use Minecraft in health science education. So we use AI-driven non-playing characters and branching narratives to simulate outbreak responses and rural health scenarios. AI supports storyboarding and the coding of these games. And here I just want to link to the previous speaker who also spoke about the students coming from different areas and then having to adapt to university life. So these games or these simulations we also use to facilitate that, but also to students that are urban students that need to go to a rural area for the first time. So the pedagogical foundations for the games that we design using AI is we use the ADDIE model, constructivist learning theory, and self-efficacy theory. These frameworks ensure our designs are educationally sound and confidence building. Ethical use of AI is critical, so we prioritize transparency, fairness, and privacy in all of our educational tools and simulations. And part of the ethical use of our AI integration is that we build in debriefing sessions in some of our games, and then we guardrail our AI bots to support the students and ensure their privacy. So the student feedback from these AI enhanced games is that they report feeling more confident, engaged, and prepared. They say the interactivity helps them think like clinicians and reduces anxiety, which was very interesting to us because a lot of the criticism against AI is that it doesn't promote critical thinking, and we found the opposite. So the educator perspectives, the health science educator perspectives are, educators are curious but cautious. And it shows we have seen a growing interest in game-based learning, but support and training is needed for the adoption. And then we are also currently experimenting using AI for assessment within games because it can analyze student reflections and track learning patterns. And then gamification for equity. So in low resource settings, we create mobile first set games and simulations, and offline compatible games and AI chatbots help to bridge the access gaps. For example, Minecraft needs about 2 gigs per hour if you play the game, which is not feasible if you are a student buying your own data. So we do make versions available that uses less data, or we also use screen recordings and then present the games in different ways to make it available offline. And then the collaborative development through the games. So our games are co-created with students, educators, developers, and researchers, and it's interdisciplinary, inclusive, and people find it deeply rewarding overall. Because games does have a lot of time investment, but overall people find it very rewarding. So some of the challenges that we faced is that change isn't easy. We faced infrastructure limitations, faculty resistance, and the digital divide that some of our speakers have spoken about that left some students behind. So we need to keep that in mind and then develop games around that. So the future directions is we are currently exploring more ways of creating games, predictive analytics, and then going over to immersive VR and AR simulations. And the goal is smarter, fairer, and more playful learning. So if you're curious and passionate or just playful or interested in what we're doing, contact us and let's reimagine pedagogy together. AI and gamification aren't just tools, they are catalysts. So thank you for listening, and you can reach us via email. I will put our contact details in the chat, and we are looking forward to engaging discussions with you around this. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thank you so very much, Amanda and Dr. Randle. Sorry, my pronunciation